So welcome back guys, my name is Amlan and in today's Make Launch Free campaign we go about looking at the issue where your Samsung phone doesn't seem to charge. So if you have a Samsung device and your Samsung phone isn't charging, let's look at the possible troubleshooting steps. Now some people have observed that removing the case may help. So try removing the case and then charging your phone. Just check whether that helps. Now let's look at some quick fixes here. Oftentimes it is found that the phone booting up or the charging parts they get loosed, and therefore massaging the phone like something like this, then tapping the phone hard, just give it some small little flaps and then try putting in the charging cable. So just try doing this and maybe your phone will start charging. Next, if it doesn't work, simply go downward to up, down to up, sideways, back side as well. So again give it some small little flaps and now try and charge the device. Check if this works. Okay, hopefully things are solved by now. If it doesn't work still, there are a few little things that you should check. One is this charging port. So try and blow some air into this. Also try and clean this with a hairpin. So once this part is cleaned, you will see that maybe your charging will now get restored. Also ensure that this connection is proper. Oftentimes this connection, if it's not proper, if it's loose, then there can be some issues. Again, I repeat, this charging port, if it's filled with dust or something, then this may become an issue. So it's important that you blow some air and use a hairpin or something to clean this part and then try and charge. Next things, maybe you are using a wrong charger. Check whether you have the original Samsung charger meant for the device. You can go to samsung.com and buy in the original charger for your device. So I have taken this. So this is a travel adapter built in for this mobile of mine. So you can go ahead and do this. So buy your original charger, try changing this charging device by your new device. Maybe this thing has gone faulty. So maybe do that. Another thing is the charging cable. So even this cable, oftentimes it's quite possible that this cable may have broken or something. So just go ahead and use a different cable and again original one, and see if buying a new cable solves the purpose. Again, ensure that this thing is fitting tightly here. So this connection is clear. Again, this connection should be pretty tight, and then put it in the socket. Again, like I said, try repeating this and this thing should work. Also, if the phone still doesn't seem to turn on and doesn't charge, you can try doing this. You can press the power button and the volume down button, hold both of them together until you see the Samsung logo. Once you see the Samsung logo, you will see that the phone restarts normally, and keep the charging cable on the phone and everything should be normal. You can try repeating this with the power and the volume up button, either of this. Hold on until you see the Samsung logo and then wait for the phone to reboot normally as it usually does. So try doing all of the steps. Like I said, one of the most important steps is flapping the phone and massaging the phone from bottom to up. Why we do this is because some parts or spares which are important for the phone booting up or charging may have gotten loose. Once you do this, they fall back in place. Next, you can also check for whether you have the right charger and whether the charging cables are all new and whether they are proper. And if the phone still doesn't seem to charge or turn on, you can press the power and the volume down button and check whether this things helps or not. So hopefully guys, today's tutorial helps you in getting your phone back to life. Maybe your charging and every other thing works. If this worked, kindly consider subscribing. Please do share this with your friends and family. Also, if it doesn't and if something else helped, let me know what it was. So that's all from my side today. Until next time, it's me, Amlan, signing off. Have a great night. Have a great weekend. Thank you.